What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today I am doing a sneaker unboxing, my very first sneaker unboxing. This is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the all black colorway. I'm a size 5 in men's. So today we're gonna open the shoe up, take a look at it, and maybe get some on feet. So if you want to see what the shoes look like, then let's get it. All right, let's open these. Oh, should we look at the box? This is the box. Boost on the side, cardboard, all the info. Over here, the color, the style number, or the style code. Here we have the pull tab. Let's open this baby up. Great. Wow. Alrighty, here we have the shoes. I wasn't gonna keep these. I wasn't supposed to keep these because I already have the bread. Now my hands are dirty. I was gonna keep these because I already have the bread 350s, which I'll pull out later for comparison's sake. But here they are. They are not the blackest of black, but they have like a grayish purple tone undertone to it. The static 3M black laces. This is one of the new knit styles on the new 350s that are coming out. Before, they're more of a flat knitting, and I think that's why I wanted to keep them, because I didn't have a pair, like a newer 350 pair with this kind of knit and style, this pattern. This stripe here is kind of see-through, but not entirely because it is black. What else? As the pull tab over here, the black pull tab with the red stitching, which resembles the Pirate Black's 350 V1s, which are iconic. Wish I had them. And yeah, and the black bottom, you have the Boost, and of course the Adidas Yeezy on the insole. I should take my insoles out because when I wear my 350s, I take out the insoles on my size 5s. If I were to wear a 5.5, I could leave the insole in. It just makes it more comfortable. Here's what the insole looks like. Have you ever taken apart your Yeezy and just like really inspected it? I always take out my insoles. Sometimes I lose them. It takes me a while to find them again. I have the dead stock knot still on it because I was feeling the knot. I was feeling it. On my other ones, I usually do something different. Here on the inside tab, we have the 3 stripes. This is where you really get to see like the gray purple undertone of the sneaker, which is really cool. Just something so special about all black sneakers. And just to see, this is the other shoe. So I'm gonna go grab my bread 350s to do a little bit of comparisons. Okay, here are the bread 350s from, I want to say 2016 or 2017. This is more of a blackest black knit. The smoother knit texture pattern, the all black laces. This is the new knot I've been doing, whatever. We have the Supply 350 in the red, and here we don't have Supply. And instead over here we just have the stripe. If you look closer, I feel like there's like a greenish hue in the knitting. Very intricate, very intricate. We have a very similar pull tab in the back. This is the bread and this is the black static or static black. Here it's a little bit more gray tone to black, and this is more of a true black. When I put both of these on side by side, I feel like they just look different when I put them on. Like when I'm looking aerial, they look different to me. I feel like this is a lot more sleeker than this. These are also very worn. I mean, they're like 3 years old at this point, so that could also alter the silhouette of the shoe. But I love this shoe so much, and then when I put this on, I was like, like I can retire these for a little while and just wear these until I'm also tired of these, or until I get my 380s. But I really like the shoe. It's really different. I tried them on because I got them in my size. I wasn't supposed to keep them because I have the Bread 350s, and I thought, why would I need another black 350? It just doesn't make sense. But I put them on and they felt so special and so different, and I just kept looking at them. I'm pretty sure it's the pattern. Like, I don't have this pattern in any other 350. I had the money for these, so I was like, okay, I'll keep them. We actually got, between Victor and I, 16 pairs in total, and the majority of them sold within the first day. So I was like, okay, you know what, I'll keep them, and I'm waiting for the 380 launch thing next weekend. I better get them this time in my size. Yeah, these are a really special shoe, and they had a lot in stock through the foot stores like Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs. There was a lot of stock of these. For me, pretty easy to get. Maybe not for other people, but then again, that's why we're the plug for some people. But yeah, these are a really special shoe. I'm happy to have them. Sometimes I'm like, damn, should I have kept them? Because at this point, I'd rather have the money. That's why I've skipped out on a lot of shoes that I could have kept, but I just rather have had the money than another pair of shoes. And I'm actually selling shoes, so if you're interested in any of the sneakers I'm selling, I was thinking of making a video on that, things I'm getting rid of and why. Because I don't know, some things just aren't as special to me, or I thought they're really cute and like collector's items, but they're uncomfortable. And Yeezys are by far the most comfortable, like, hyped shoe out there, in my opinion. I feel like the least comfortable would probably be the 700 V1 and V2. They're more of a boxy silhouette, doesn't really conform to the foot, but these are knit, so they do conform to the feel a little bit. They have a lot of boost, and they make you feel like you're flying. Victor says 380s are the absolute most comfortable, but I wouldn't know because I don't have my size. I actually got a different size, and I'm trying to sell that to get mine, but now they're re-releasing, so we'll see. These are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Static Black colorway of 2019. So maybe I get some on feeds right now in a B-roll or something. I don't know. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're also interested in my personal sneaker collection, I have a lot of sneakers. It's not updated with what I plan on selling, but I will link it up here somewhere, and I'll link it down below if you're interested in what I currently have. These are, do I have one? There's nothing new in my sneaker collection besides these 350s since I made the video. But there are things I plan on taking out of my collection. So yeah, That video is my most viewed video, so thank you so much for the love and support on that video. Keep on sharing it, keep on watching. I appreciate the love and the support. If you like me and you like this video, hit the like button. Comment down below if you're interested in these 350s or what Yeezys you plan on picking up within this month, because there are a couple releases, or what you wish you had picked up when they came out. I know I have not a lot of regrets, but a few regrets on shoes I wish I had copped when they came out. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I'm trying to post every Sunday. It's the last 2-3 weeks of the semester, so I might be shaky until then, and then Christmas comes around and whatnot. If you like this video, if you like me, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter. I link all my social media down below, and link my Mercari down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. We have the Supply 350 in all black. What? My head. This is we have the all black. What? Very similar.